Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install and review the Auxito LED reverse LED light. And this will be installed on our 4Runner. These are the same bulbs that I installed on my RAV4. So if you want to check the RAV4 video, I'll put the link up here. And yeah, so let's check them out. Okay, so with this one, these are white for reverse, of course. So they will fit the socket of 906, 912, 921, W16W, T15, etc. So again, it says in there for application, only use for backup reverse light. Okay, do not use for other lights. So improper use may cause safety risks. And they also have it in Japanese, I guess. That's Japanese because I see here that they have an email for Japanese. So I think they are popular in Japan. Let me know if I'm wrong. All right, so this is the bulb. So this is how it looks like. Build quality, awesome. Has that mirror finish. That will definitely help on reflecting the light. So that will like increase the light output. Having a mirror finish on this particular build. And then it has this lens on the front or on the top, which has 6 LED chips inside. That's gonna be bright. All right, so now let's proceed with the install. All right, so to access the lights, just need to access it from here. Very easy, just use a pry tool to access it, and you'll have access to the light in here. Very easy. So let's pry it out. There you go. Now we'll have access to the light. All right, so it will be this one. Just twist it. There you go. Just pull this one out. There you go. All right, now time to install the new one. Just plug this in there. Now we have two. Put it back and just twist it back. There you go. And now let's compare them side by side.